Hi class, today we will be discussing community and we will also identify what a community is, and our measurable objective for the day will be being able to identify a city, state, country, and planet that our community is in. So today we will kind of walk through what a community is. We have 6 questions that we're going to end up answering through our lesson. Our first question is going to be, what is a community? We'll define that, and then we'll kind of take it to the next level. And our next question is, do members of a community come together? And why? What do we do as a community? And what defines us as a community? Our third question will be, what city is our community in? Our fourth question will be, what state our community is in? Our fifth question will be, what country is our community in? And our sixth and final question will be, what planet is our community in? So again, we just have our measurable objective, which we will be able to, at the end of this, say, I can identify a city, state, country, and planet that our community is in. So to begin with, let's kind of define what community is. A community is a location or geographical location where people live and come together, and so we'll have many people within one housed community. So people will bring different cultures and norms into the community to make up a whole community. We do depend on one another. We help each other with our needs. So we support local businesses. We buy from local grocery stores or local gas stations. So as a community, we all support each other so that we can all grow and thrive. So we are going to create an anchor chart. So our anchor chart can look however, but we'll have one box for number 1 to identify that a community is a location. I can kind of do this here. Is a location where people live and thrive together. So I'll give you a second to write that down. And then we're going to go on to box number 2 within our anchor chart. And within that box, we're going to ask ourselves, do members of a community come together? So looking back at our definition, we know that members of a community do come together. So let's define what we do as a community. We come together to support one another, but a community is a place to learn, explore, live, and have fun with each other within our surroundings. So number 2 of our box should look like that. Okay, so our third part of our anchor chart, we'll be asking, what city is our community in? So for this activity, we're just going to think about our school. So what city is our school located in? And we know that Cherokee Trail Elementary is located in the city of Parker. Okay, so you can go ahead and write in box 3 of our anchor chart, Parker. Our next question is going to be for box number 4. What state is our community in? We know that we live in Parker, Colorado. So our answer for what state our community is in would be Colorado. So now we're going to look at things on a bigger scheme, and we'll look at a map of the United States. So we look and we know that Parker is within Colorado, and we also know that Colorado is a part of the United States of America. So we know the US of A is a country. So for our question number 5 on our anchor chart, we will put country as USA. Our last question for where our community is would be, what planet is your community in? So we'll go ahead and fill out a last and final box within our anchor chart, and we will go ahead and take a look at our solar system. So we know that our solar system is made up of several different planets, and if we think about where we're located, we know, 1, we're from Parker, Colorado. 2, we know that we live in the country of the United States of America. And our next question would be, what planet do we live on? Well, we all know that we live on planet Earth. So our community is on planet Earth in the country of the United States of America, in the state of Colorado, and in the city of Parker. This is going to conclude our lesson for today, but just to recap, we just want to embrace our community, and we know that our school is full of community, which means we've got several students that we love and support, and we hang out with and thrive as we learn and continue our educations. Thank you.